Let's welcome our birthday celebrant on her 60th birthday, Ate Cesar Garcia! Wala ba kayong mga kamay? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Ah, yung cake! Flower! Thank you. Ngayon, happy birthday, Sisi! Welcome to the senior citizen! Oh, yung cake! Asa yung cake ba? Yung cake. Birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Ate Sisel! We have more birthdays to come. Good health always, ha? Makabuo ka pa ng isa. Hindi na. Ah, ito na yung forever friends. Ah, tagal. Kaya nga. Happy birthday! Oh, yan. Punta ka sa gitna. At you have to blow the candle. At make a wish. Wow! Oh. Maya na pag lang, yung tawag dito, yung cake, mag-blow ng cake. So, yung happy birthday to you. Yes. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, tama muna. Mami Edeton. How old are you? 36. Parang ano lang ang kalibo. Ha? Sindihan mo na. Mamaya sige, matayin mo muna. Happy birthday. Ang daming wish ba? 60 years. Ano talaga ang wish? Literal. Sabi mo kung ano gusto mo. Happy birthday, Tisel.
More birthday, more. Hindi, sabi niya, more boyfriend to come.